BTC is trading over 100,000. Congrats, guys. And this movement in crypto is looking good. So we are going to talk about Morpho and price analysis right here. And I will be using this chart right here. So one thing you want to always check is this. You find this token if it's in uptrend. So right here, luckily our token is in uptrend right now. So you want to always have this long time trend and check if this token is still valid, if the uptrend is still valid. Right here, you see this token went up and go down, and it trades this, and this is a long time trend right here, and is able to hold two times, one, two, three, and it continues to go up. Anytime you see this line right here is being invalid, that means the long time trend is being broken, so there might be crisis for disaster right here. So this is one of the way to check if your token is in uptrend and see check what might happen with this token. So right here, if you want to buy this token and or you want to take a profit, you can always use this trend long time trend line right here to check what is going on with this crypto. So right here we have this previous resistance right here that's already turned as and that already turned as and support. So one, two, and three. Right now, this level right here is going to turn as support. So one thing you want to do is always check your chart. Know what the chart is talking about. So normally this chart is this price or this resistance, this previous resistance is going to turn as support, and this token might trade right here and come right here and go off and continue going up. That's norm. Or this token might just come down right here and try to want to break up again and come down to these long-term trends. So these are the two ways you need to look into on how to analyze a chart and see where this price might go. So you see we have this support right here, and we have this long time and previous support right here. So this level is a big factors you need to consider. And right here, if you want to draw a short time resistance or short time trend, I will go to 15 minutes right here, 15 minutes, and try to find a short time trend uptrend right here. You can see there's this trend right now, this short time trend, and you want to always draw this trend perfectly. So you want to let this previous lower right here and match with the supports of these tokens right here. You want to let everything match, and you have this level right here that if this token continue trading right here, this trend line right here, this short time trend line, note we are in 15-minute chart frame. Note there will be this daily, the higher time frame you go, the better and the stronger the resistance it is. So you need to take that to consideration. So we have the short term trend right here, short term trends, and this support. And if this token started trading right here, you see have chance. If you want to long this token or make a trade, you can always enter a trade right here and put your stop loss right here, and maybe make this kind of trade right here. So make this kind of trade, long position, make this kind of trade. So let's say the token comes to this level right here, you want to buy, you can just put your stop loss right here. So your stop loss right here, and you can always put your big profit right here to this previous resistance. So you don't need to so you are risking, let's say right here, it's saying 2%. You are risking to 2%, 2.49% right here, and you are taking profit of to 4%, 4.20%. So that's the short time trade you might do if this token comes down to the level. And feelingly, this token might just come to this level right here, and you enter a trade and you put your stop loss right here, and you can always reference to the previous high right here. So that's a good trade you can take. So you are risking less than $3 for almost 10% of this price, depend on if you use leverage or any other thing. I'm just talking about if you are using spot trading. So you are just risking 3%, under 3% for like 10% gain. So if you be using spot trading, but if you be using leverage, you're risking more money and be making more money. So that's the price and analysis of this, and I will always update you guys about this price prediction of this or analysis of this project. And let me know about any token you are looking forward to trade or you want to buy. I'll be happy to make constant and analysis about the price. And if you find value in this video, like this video so you can help me to make more and analysis like this. And I will see you on the next video.